In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Twilio to Gohighlevel. This process is crucial because it enables seamless communication via SMS and phone calls directly within the Gohighlevel platform. Whether you're reaching out to clients, sending reminders, or managing campaigns, integrating Twilio will enhance your communication capabilities immensely. To start, you'll first need to log into your Twilio account. If you haven't already signed up, go ahead and create an account. Once logged in, you'll land on the Twilio dashboard, which can initially seem overwhelming, but don't worry, I'll guide you through exactly what we need. Look for the Project Info section, usually located on the main dashboard page. Here, you'll find your account SID and auth token. These are unique identifiers for your Twilio account and function like a username and password. Make sure to keep these secure and don't share them publicly. Now, head over to your Gohighlevel account. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings section. You'll find this option on the sidebar. From the Settings page, locate and click on Phone Numbers. Here, you'll be able to add and manage the phone numbers that you'll be using for outreach. On this page, you'll see an option to add or connect a Twilio account. Click this, and you'll be prompted to enter the account SID and auth token you got from Twilio. After entering these details, make sure to double-check them for accuracy to prevent any connection issues. Upon successful entry, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that your Twilio account is now linked to Gohighlevel. This connection allows you to start using your Twilio number for sending SMS and making calls directly from the platform. Next, you'll need to set up a phone number if you haven't already. Back in Twilio, on the dashboard, you'll see an option labeled Phone Numbers. Click this menu item, and you'll have the ability to buy a new number. Choose a number that's local to your area or that best suits your business needs. Once you've purchased the number, head back to your Gohighlevel account. In Gohighlevel, after you've integrated your Twilio account, you'll find an option to add the phone numbers you've purchased. Enter the relevant number details, and click Save. This step is crucial because it links the specific number to your communication settings within Gohighlevel. And that's it. With Twilio now connected, you're ready to streamline your communications using Gohighlevel. Whether it's sending out marketing campaigns or automating communication workflows, this integration unlocks a host of powerful capabilities. Don't forget to test the connection by sending a test message to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Thanks for tuning in, and happy connecting!